Traditional stretching of the hamstrings is often done by first locking the ankle into dorsiflexion, followed by locking the knee into extension, then holding the leg in a static position for 15 to 30 seconds. This is repeated twice for each isolated muscle being stretched. Starting with gentle rocking to soothe and downregulate the nervous system, FST is often able to get much more range of motion without pain. Traction is one of 10 key principles that is specifically utilized to access the fascial system in a way traditional stretching does not.